may inaaral akong kanta ni Aruma.
Ano?
Yung Muwak.
Muwaw?
Muwak.
Muwa. Wow. Parang kikis. Muwa.
Sobrang ganda ng song.
Ganda ng boses niya.
Excited na ako ma-meet siya eh. Wait lang. May nag-chat eh.
Ang kagahapon. Ano ka to? Hindi ko.
Ba't ang daming nanonood? Sa lahat po nang nanonood, kung nasa Singapore po kayo, manood po kayo ng show namin. Konting ticket na lang. Sayang naman kung di ka pa makakapanood. Ito lang to oh. Tamang kabilang ako akan baik-baik saja. Nyatanya sulit aku sambung kali yang lalu. Awal menggabu-gabu untungnya semua rancu. Tahukah sakit yang tak terobati belum sempat sembuh tertinggal lagi mulai. Aku Entahnya cinta sedalam samudra. Hanya tak cinta berakhir juga. Aku kung marinig itong kantahin ni Aruma ng live. Dami na nanood ah. Sabi nila golden daw, pero golden hour. Funny. Very.
Golden hour. Oo nga no.
I'm done hiding.
Now I'm shining like I'm born to be.
Hindi ko kakantahin yung matataas kasi baka naman palayasin tayo dito sa hotel. Anong oras na? Verses. Tapos tingnan mo, after ko kantahin tong verses, mag-aalisan yung tao. I was a ghost, I was alone. Told you, it's okay. Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe. I was a queen and I'm meant to be a little nice, but it tried both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Call the problem child, cause it got too much, but that's not how I'm getting paid. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming how we came so far, now I believe. 'Cause I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming how we came so far, now I believe. 'Cause I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming how we came so far, now I believe. 'Cause I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming how we came so far, now I believe. 'Cause I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming how we came so far, now I believe. 'Cause I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming how we came so far, now I believe. 'Cause I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming how we came so far, now I believe. 'Cause I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming how we came so far, now I believe. 'Cause I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming how we came so far, now I believe. 'Cause I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming how we came so far
Visit ka talaga.
Binitin. Kung gusto niyo marinig, nasa hub ko nga, in-upload ko.
What promo?
Yeah. We're going up. Ibibigay ko ang aking puso. Ganun. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm burning. We're dreaming high, getting so far away the rain. We're going up, up, ibibigay ko ang aking puso. Ganun yung mashup dapat. Bigla kami lalabas kasama Huntrix. Stabilize. Ba't ang daming nanonood? Nagtataka ako, bakit 17,000? Ngayon na lang kasi nag-live yun. Thank you po sa nagbibigyan ng stickers. Nakakainis daw. That's the goal. Ano mga gusto mong kantahin? Ano yung ano ngayon? Ano yung, what do you call that? Yung nag-trend na song na kinanta ni Rob. Anong title? Kanta niya ni Sir Ogie. Anong title? Nakalimutan ko dali. Nandito ko. Hindi ko alam yung version niya eh. Alam ko lang yung original eh. Nandito.
Hindi sila kahit na
Naturo ko ang puso. Ano magandang kantahin? Kung naman Justin, kanta ka daw oh.
Anong gusto nung kantahin?
Yes, golden daw. Golden retriever.
Arf, arf!
Golden faucet. Ito na lang. Anong title nun? Ito na lang. Isa rin to sa gusto kong kanta. Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. Words of what I came from. Tired and ashamed of things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lines all collided. I don't know what I did to trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should have left the jagged edges with the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. That's how it could arrive. This is what it sounds like. Ganda rin yan. Sabi ko live lang eh. Sabi ko quick live. Kakain lang ako eh. Naging concert.
I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm born again. Hindi ko ma-unlock.
When I'm probably living like the one rockin' boulder.
Oops.
Ayun lang guys. Yun lang naman. Kaya ako nag-live kasi gusto ko lang.
Lost in Genshin. Yes, nag-Genshin ako.
Gusto Gusto ko lang magbigay ng proof of life. Life update.
Lipad na kayo dito sa Singapore. May tickets pa.
Bigla silang gumano doon. Biglang, okay. Ano yung kakantahin ko dapat kanina?
Yung kay Rob.
Hindi ko alam yung version niya eh. Narinig ko sa TikTok. Oh, my love, my darling, I come for your touch alone, lonely time. In time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much for you. Still your love, I need your love. God's given your love to me. Very pang pang Sunday.
Parang may tatagay, ganun.
Ha? Ano sabi? Parang may?
Tatagay.
Tatagay. Naging Sunday. Ayan, nag-message na si Ay, gaga. Guys, parang kailangan ko na mag-end.
Bakit?
Lulu.
Ano oras na ba? 9:30.
9:30. Ano nangyari?
Anong nangyari?
Nag-message ba sa'yo si EJ? Dito talaga nag-uusap. Oh my gosh, paano to? Ayun, oh my God. Ooh. Matulog na kayo yung mga nasa Pinas. Anong oras na? Matulog na kayo.
Sige. Alright, bye-bye.
Ay, sige,
go.
Tulog, bye-bye.
Bye. Punta kayo Singapore. Or the people living here in Singapore, if you're watching right now, we have a concert on the 24th. Get your tickets now. Just search for SB19 official or official SB19, or just go at our venue, Arena at Pickering, here in Singapore. So yeah, guys, see ya, and hope you can come and watch our concert and see us perform. Cause yeah. Bye. Gotta go. I gotta go.
Alright.